Hi, it's Chris. In today's video, we're going to be talking about dryer fire prevention. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit partselect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. When it comes to fires, most people don't associate electric dryers as being the cause. It's gas or not at all. Dryers cause over 13,000 fires per year, and most of the time they could have been prevented. Of those 13,000 fires, 27% were related to lint buildup in dryers. So first thing we're going to want to take a look at is cleaning your lint filter. The lint filter is meant to be cleaned not once a month, not once a week. It's meant to be cleaned after every load. This will help prevent fires and it will help your items dry faster. In cleaning your lint filter, if you find there's a heavy wad of lint on that filter, when you go to pull it out, just keep an eye to make sure it doesn't roll off the filter and down into the ductwork below. That's going to cause you more problems down the road. As well, there's also some tools out there for cleaning where your lint filter goes in. It's just basically a brush and you just run in and out and it cleans that area as well. So the second thing that's important is cleaning your ductwork. So when you go to clean your vent, there's some really great tools that are out there that you can pick up at your local hardware store. Basically, the tools can be either a manual brush that you go to pull through your venting, or else there's some really cool ones that hook to a drill, and it's got rod extensions so you can run that brush right through from one end to the other. It's definitely the easiest way to do it, and you can actually have a little bit of fun with it. You'll also want to make sure that the vent cap, where it comes out of your house, that the louvers are working properly and sealing properly. As well, if this is not something you're comfortable with, there's lots of good professionals out there that can take care of that for you. The next thing we're going to be talking about are some safety tips. It's an electric dryer, and typically most dryers today just simply come out of the back of the dryer and plug into the wall. Well, sometimes just from moving the machine around or just things that happen in the household, that cord can get wiggled and vibrated and they can chafe and you could be in a position of an electrical shock. So you just got to want to inspect that cord and make sure it's in good condition, it's not cracked or split. Another thing to consider as far as a safety tip for your dryer is checking those pockets. You want to make sure that there's no packaged matches, there's no gas cigarette lighters sitting in a pocket somewhere. Those can catch fire and explode right inside your dryer. The last safety tip is going to be, again, talking about venting. It's hugely important to make sure your vent is in good condition. Sometimes dryers get moved, washers vibrate, and move the dryer around and that vent can pop off. Just take a few minutes, check that vent, make sure it's connected well so you're not getting a huge amount of lint building up in behind the dryer. That's a major cause for concern. So the last thing we'll be talking about are some tips on prevention. If you have other people who are doing their laundry, you may want to make sure you educate them as well as to what things can go in and shouldn't go in and how often that filter should be changed. And make a point to mark on the calendar when you want to do your dryer vent cleaning and cleaning of the dryer. Thanks very much for watching. We hope that the tips we shared with you today allow you to see the importance and ease of cleaning your dryer and venting system in your home in order to keep you and your family safe.